5. Okay, let us join joinmyquiz.com for the pretest with the code 640445. So again, this is a pretest. You don't need to be correct as long as you know the answer or as long as you have the idea. Then it is a 1 minute per item. Don't go fast. 1 minute per item. So this is a 15 items for 15 minutes. So let's start in 3, 2, 1. Huwag po magmadali. 1 minute po per item.
Sir, nag-log po sa akin, sir. Tapos, biglang umalis po, sir.
Sige lang, you try to enter again. Meron pa pong 7 minutes. Three minutes left. 2 minutes left. So, Brian and Kaiser, Krisha and Chris Aaron. Kit and Ark Louie, nakapasok ka ba?
Opo, sir.
Pasok po.
Opo,
So,
sir.
Brian and Kaiser na lang po ang naiwan. Krisha pala. Chris Aaron. So, last 2 minutes, 1 minute. Chris Aaron, last 1 minute. Kaiser, last 1 minute. So, this is the first game that we have, the quizzes game app. So, based on the activity that we have, what do you think is our lesson for this afternoon? And
Measurement, sir.
Same pa din. Yes po, the same pa rin po last week, and that is measurement. So, yan natin kung sino na po ang nasa leaderboard, the leaderboard rather. So, let's end. So, yung iba na hindi pa po natapos, end na po tayo. So, let's find out who got the highest score. For the top 3, we have Kiel, second Lucky, and the champion is, and the first is, uy, nawala. Nakita. France. So, France got the highest. So, with that activity, yan yung mga maglalabas or mga activities na pwede natin sagutan for the rest of the week. So, let's go now to our lesson. So, we go now with module number 2 of week number 2. Sorry. Hana yung aso mo.
Sorry po, sir.
Okay lang. So, please copy the title of our activity today or our lesson for this day. We are now with module number 2, the solving problems involving conversion of units. So, in other words, yung last week natin na lesson was about conversion of units lang from one unit to another. Now, hahaluan po natin siya ng solving problems or problem solving. So, let's have a game task. So, the learner will answer what I know. So, how are they going to answer the what I know using that join my quiz a while ago? So, next is the lesson number 1, solving problems involving conversion of units. So, the second game is the spin the wheel and name it as PT number 3 or performance task number 3. This is recorded. Our game is spin the wheel. Ibig sabihin po, mag-spin po ako ng task po na gagawin ninyo. So, you type the word me on the chat box para malaman ko kung sino ang pasunod na sasagot. You type the word me on the chat box, please. So mag-spin the wheel po tayo. Okay, lahat po mag-type ng ni para malaman nyo kung ano yung task na gagawin. So let's begin with the first one. Yung una po, so do the task. Ibig sabihin, gagawin po ninyo ito. So kindly prepare your ruler or tape measure, panukat. Then gagawa tayo ng task ninyo. So John Bert po ang nauna. John Bert, are you there?
Yes po, sir.
Ito po ang task mo. Isulat mo sa notebook ang task mo. Tapos, sasagutan mo ito. Tapos, ipapasa mo ito sa ating page. So, your task is, okay. John Bert, meron di bang doors dyan sa inyo? Maghanap ka ng dalawang door. Yung pinakamaliit po na length, ay pinakamaliit pala na side, yun po ang susukatin mo. Hindi yung length talaga, yung width ang pinakamaliit. Susukatin mo yung pinakamaliit na side or yung width gamit ang inches. So measure two different width of doors using inches. Again, measure two different length of doors using inches. So meron ka bang ruler dyan or ano yan? Measure?
Meron po.
Okay, start now. Okay, next student is Art Louis. So ito po ang task mo, Art Louis. Okay, i-search mo sa internet how to convert meter and inches. Again, Art Louis, search mo sa internet how to convert meter and inches. That will be your task. This is 20 points.
Okay po, sir.
Next, Franz. Okay, same din kanina. Measure two different lengths of doors or width of doors using inches. So, yan po si Franz. Okay, next. Tapos ni Franz, si Hannah. Okay, Hannah. Measure two different length of tiles. Meron bang tiles dyan sa inyo? Hannah? Ano yung sahig nyo? Tiles ba?
Hindi po, sir.
Meron ba dyang pader na merong hollow blocks? Sa bakod, sa likod na pader nyo? Meron ba?
Murag, sir. Mura.
Maghanap ka ng dalawang blocks or hollow blocks, tapos sukatin mo ito in centimeters. So, ang sukatin mo ang kanyang length. One side lang ha, hindi yung dalawang sides. One side lang yung length, yung pinakamalaking side. Sukatin mo yon dalawang hollow blocks. Okay?
Thank you po,
Next,
sir.
Brian. Okay, may kasama ka ba dyan, Brian?
Opo, sir.
Okay, sino? Okay, kung yung kasama mo, sukatin mo siya in centimeter, tapos sukatin mo din yung sarili mo in centimeter. Ganun lang po. Measure one family member in centimeter and yourself also. So, okay ba yon? Okay, we're done with Brian. Next, we have Keith. Okay, Kit, this will be your task. Okay, meron bang tiles dyan sa inyo, Kit? Meron ba tiles?
Hollow block lang, sir.
Yan po. Sige po. Dalawang hollow blocks, yung pinakamalapad na side. Sukatin mo in centimeter. Okay, next. We have Ayan Marie. Ayan Marie, your task is, okay, research in the internet how to convert meter and inches. Ayan Marie, is it okay? Okay, Ayan Marie, paki-search po ng how to convert meter and inches.
Opo, sir.
Next, si Faith Sauro. This is your task. How to convert meter and centimeter. Kay Faith Sauro, how to convert meter and centimeter. Okay ba yon, Faith?
Opo, sir.
Next, Fiel. This is your task. Your task, Fiel, is measure two different lengths of doors using inches. Width pala yan, differential length. Width of doors. Yung pinakamaliit po na side ng doors using inches. Dalawa po na door. Okay ba yun siya? Sino, Fiel? Si Fiel ba yun?
Opo, sir.
Your task? Kay Sebastian. Uy, hang. Okay, meron ba dyang tiles sa inyo? Sebastian?
Yes, sir.
Okay, spatin mo yun siya in centimeters. Dalawang tiles po. Okay, next. Tapos si Sebastian, Lucky. Okay. Kay Lucky naman, dalawang windows in centimeters. Lucky, yung pinakamaliit lang po na side ng windows in centimeters. Asan si Lucky? Okay lang ba, Lucky? Nakuha mo? Lucky, nakuha mo ba?
Sir.
Basta nakuha niyo yan. Nakuha mo na? Dalawang bintana, sukatin mo kahit isang side lang.
Okay po,
Okay,
sir.
next. Christian Nicole, this will be your task. Okay, search on the internet how to convert meter and centimeter. Christian Nicole, how to convert meter and centimeter. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, for Trisha CB, this is your task. You are going to measure two doors, yung pinakamaliit lang po na side. For Trisha, you find two doors and measure the smallest side, hindi yung length ha, yung smallest side lang po ng door. Is that okay, Trisha?
Yes, sir.
In inches ha, in inches. Okay, start doing it now. I'll be giving you 10 minutes to finalize your answer. Tapos, kasama na yun siya yung pag-send nyo ng file sa ating page. Okay? Time starts now. 10 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes more. Last 1 minute. Okay, time's up. So let's do the checking. Okay. So, how were you able to measure and do the tasks? So, of course, yung mga madadali lang, research lang nila sa internet, right? Pero yung mahihirap, nagsukat-sukat talaga, sinukat nila gamit ang protractor, and ruler. Now, ano po ang purpose nun? Bakit po kayo pinasukat? So, I just would like you to know kung ano po ba ang ginamit nyo na panukat. For example, sino po ang nagsukat sa inyo ng bintana?
Me po.
Okay. Anong ginamit mo panukat? Ruler or protractor? Ay, ruler or ang tawag ito, tape measure?
Measure po, sir.
Tape measure. Okay, tama yung ginamit niya, tape measure. So when you measure things na malalapad tulad ng bintana, tape measure ang gagamitin mo. Sino naman sa iyo nagsukat ng hollow blocks?
Me po, sir.
So ano pong ginamit mo na panukat?
Tape measure.
Okay, tama naman po na gamitin ng tape measure. Pero kung ang tape measure mo, yung tape measure na bakal, mahihirapan ka talaga. O yung tape measure mo is masyadong malaki, mahirap talaga yung gamitin. Pero ang accurate po na gamitin na panukat dyan is yung tinatawag nating ruler. And we must use the appropriate item or appropriate device or instrument to measure particular things. So bakit dalawa po ang pinasukat ko? So magkapareho ang hollow blocks, tama ba, Argel? Keith, tama ba na magkapareho ang sukat ng dalawang hollow blocks?
Dili, sir.
Yun po. Kahit na alam natin na hollow block sila, pareho ang itsura, pero hindi natin sila pwede i-judge ng pareho talaga. If you measure it by ruler, so kailangan po talaga na isukat natin siya ng accurate. So kapag ganun po ang nangyari, makita po ninyo na magkakaiba talaga ang measurement kahit na pareho sila. So what about, sino naman dito nagsukat sa inyo ng magkapatid or ng family member?
Ako, sir.
Okay. Pareho ba kayo ng size or ng sukat?
Hindi, sir.
Ano po ang measurement mo?
Tape measure.
Tape measure. Ang sukat mo ano? 100?
150 centimeter.
Si kuya mo bang sinukat mo?
Opo, si kuya po.
Ano po sa kanya?
158 centimeter.
Okay. Since magkapatid nga sila, malapit lang yung agwat nila. So, but not all na magkapatid, kung sino yung kuya, siya yung mataas. Hindi po gano'n, not all the time. So, it depende po talaga sa kung sino ang at kung ano ang sinukat. So, that ends our performance task number 3. Picturean niyo po yung output ninyo, tapos you are going to send that one in our page at www.facebook.com/humang2021 and name it as PT number 3. Next, PT number 4 naman tayo. So sa PT number 4, you are going to measure me or measure these two things. Sino dyan sa inyo ang merong pixel or pitcher in English o kaya bote ng 1 litro ng Coke or yung basta malaking Coke, family size ba, 1 liter? Sino dyan? Kuha po kayo. Tapos, kuha rin po kayo ng measuring cup. Kung wala pong measuring cup, baso. Kung wala pong baso, any cup na pang maka-measure ng tubig. Sukatin nyo po yung, lagyan nyo po ng tubig ang 1 litro or isang family size na bote or inyong pitsil. Sukatin nyo kung ilang cups po ang masukat ninyo. For example, kung ang nasukat nyo is 5 1/2 cups, therefore, isulat nyo siyang 5 1/2 cups. Then, you answer the following questions. So, ang questions, how many cups is 1 liter of water? Give a mathematical statement. Sabi po ng mathematical statement, yan po yung may therefore, yung conclusion ba? Therefore, as I measure the 1 liter or 1 bottle of water, it has 2 cups or 3 cups. Ganun po yung mathematical statement. Gamitin po ninyo ang therefore. Next, do you have difficulty in performing the activity? Just say yes or just say no. At bakit po? No. Ganun po. Then notebook only, picturean siya and name it as performance task number 4. Again, uulitin ko po. Kumuha po kayo ng isang pitsil na may lamang tubig o di kaya kumuha po ng isang bote ng litro ng Coke or family size ng Coke, lagyan po ito ng tubig. Sukatin po ang tubig na nasa loob nito gamit ang cup or measuring cup or baso po. So, bilangin po kung ilang cups ang nasukat ninyo, ilang baso ang nasukat ninyo, tapos sagutan ang mga questions. Ang instruction ko ba ay malinaw?
Yes.
Opo.
Okay, you have
Yes, sir.
minutes to do that one. Your time starts now. Yes po, sa Yumang po na page, ipasa. Sa Yumang 2021 na page. Ergel, anong middle name mo?
Patikesta, sir.
Yung mama mo ba, classmate ko yan siya pag high school.
Opo.
Tita ko po. Tita ko po, sir.
Classmate ko yan siya pag high school.
Opo, sir.
Last minutes. Again, ulitin ko ha. Ang question number 1, how many cups of liter of one water? Yung 1 litro po ng isang pitcher or litro ng bote, ilan po cups ang nakuha ninyo? Isusulat nyo lang po kung 4 and 1/2. Sulat nyo 4 and 1/2. Ano naman itong number 2? Give me a mathematical statement. Start kayo ng sagot dyan sa word na therefore. Therefore, 1 pitcher is equals to 5 cups. Ganun po. Therefore, 1 bottle of water is equal to 6 and 1/2 cups. Ganun po. Do you have difficulty in performing the activity? Just type the word, just write the word yes or no. Yes, bakit? No, bakit? Ganun po ang answer dyan sa 1, 2, and 3. Again, number 4, this is recorded. You're going to submit your answer at www.facebook.com/umang2020. So if you're done, you type the word done so that I could monitor. So we have 1 finished. We have Hannah. And still waiting for the others for the rest of the 3 minutes. Okay, last 1 minute. And almost time's up. So those who are finished, so just follow after me. Follow after me. Just focus on this lesson. Those who are not yet finished, you may continue answering and listen to our conversation with the explanations and students. So performance task number 4. So what is the purpose of this activity? So the purpose of this activity is, I would like you to know the following things. Unang-una, ang isang litro o isang pitcher ng pitzel, may laman di ba siyang tubig? Ngayon, nung i-measure niyo yung 1 cup, ay yung laman noon, ilang cups po ang sagot? Anyone? Or pwede niyo pong i-type sa chat box, ilang cups po ang inyong na-measure sa...
7, sir. 7 cups.
7. What else?
6 cup po.
Cups. What else?
4 po.
4. What else? Okay. Based on those example, iba-iba ang sagot ninyo, di ba? So, ganito. Bakit po nagkakaiba-iba? Kasi po ganito. Ang ginamit po ninyo na cups, hindi po pare-pareho. So, okay lang po yun. Okay, next. Meron po tayong tinatawag na cups talaga. Yung cups na yan, yung pangluto nga sa rice cooker, yung parang maliit na color white, or yung colorless, yun po yung isang cup. So, ang isang cup po na ganon, yun po dapat ang gagamitin. So, ano po ang ibig sabihin nito ngayon? So, dahil nga magkakaiba-iba ang ginamit nyo na measurement, iba-iba din yung output ninyo. So, dapat po kasi, pag nag-measure tayo, dapat gamitin natin yung tama na measuring equipment or device na gagamitin. In other words, if you use a different object or a different instrument not appropriate with the type of measuring things na ginagamit mo, therefore hindi rin po accurate ang inyong sagot. And that is our lesson for performance task number 4. Now, do you have difficulty in performing the activity? Yes or no? Anyone? Mahirap ba? Nagkandalisod ba?
Hindi po.
Hindi po, sir.
Yes. Kung meron kayong nahirapan, ano yun? What if meron kayong nahirapan? Ano yun? Si Lucky sabi niya, hati daw. Hindi niya alam kung nahirapan ba siya or nadalian. Basta natapos niya. So, usually, mahihirapan lang po kayo sa gamit. Kasi nga, kung wala kayong gamit, hindi talaga siya makaya matapos. So, yun po. So, I hope you enjoy our lesson for performance number 3 and number 4. But before that one, you're going to send a picture of your baso and a picture of your measuring cup and a picture of your bottle or pitcher na ginamit. Then your answers for numbers 1, 2, and 3 is send po sa ating page and name it as performance task number 4. So I hope you enjoy our lesson for this day, for this afternoon. And for the information of everybody, there was a report coming from a parent. Sabi daw po na yung anak niya, pinapagawa ko daw po ng maraming long quiz. I hope po, sana po, sa mga student po, wala naman po akong pinapagawang long quiz. Ang akin po is pinapagawa ko kayo ng performance task at saka ng inyong portfolio notebook. So, kung sino man po yon na nagsumbong sa principal, sana tama po yung sinabi po na information sa principal. Kasi nga po, since mali ang sa kanyang nasabi, mali din po ang naabot sa principal. So, medyo masakit po sa akin na sinabi doon na hindi ko daw po siya gina-message, ginasin ko lang daw yung message niya, kahit na nag-chat daw siya sa akin. Tanong ko lang po, sino po ba dito sa inyo ang hindi ko pa na-message? Siguro lahat na-message ko na sa ating page. Yun lang po yung pinagtataka ko dahil sinabi niya po na hindi ko daw siya gina-chat, hindi ko daw siya gina-replyan, at saka pinapapasa ko daw siya ng napakaraming quizzes. Wala po akong pinapapasa maraming quizzes na printed. Ang lahat po ng quizzes ko na pinapapasa is online. Take note, at yung pinento sa principal, printed daw po yung pinapapasa. Napakarami daw. So wala po akong pinapapasang printed. Lahat po na pinapapasa ko online. Again, sa nagkwento nun sa principal, mali, sa nagsumbong nun, mali po yung na information ang pinento niya sa principal. So mali din po ang nakuha na information ng principal, kaya pinagalitan po ako. So I hope you do it right. Gamitin ang information ng tama at the same time, magsumbong po ng tama. Huwag po magsumbong ng mali dahil nakakasira po kayo ng trabaho. So sa mga nagsumbong at nagkwento ng maling bagay na yon, please wag po sana manira or magkwento ng ibang bagay na hindi naman po ginawa ng isang tao. So I hope we will have a good relationship for the rest of the school year, and I will do my best to teach you with the proper and the correct one. And as long as you are there, we will give you a good grades that you will be deserved for. So thank you so much. God bless and good afternoon. So tomorrow ulit. Bye everyone.
Excuse me po, sir.
Yes po.
Paano po to gawin po sa number 2 po, sir?
Lagyan mo lang ng therefore. Therefore, 1 cup or 1 pitcher of water is equal to 5 cups. Mga ganun po. Therefore, 1 bottle of water is equal to 3 cups. Ganun lang po.
Salamat po, sir.
Sige po. Bye everyone.
Thank you po,
Bye
sir.
po, sir.
Thank you po.
Sir. Sir,
Yes po.
pwede isend ko na lang po sa inyo, sir.
Sa akin personally,
Opo, sir. PM ko na lang po kayo, sir.
nakasend sa page.
Hindi po, sir. Sa ano niyo po, sir? Account.
Sige. Pag basta palagian mo lang ako i-chat doon para hindi siya matabunan kasi marami kasi nag-chat sa akin sa personal account ko, baka matabunan ba tsaka hindi ko ma-record, ha?
Okay po, sir.
Okay po, sige, bye-bye.
Thank you po.